Well, welcome to the Boiling Point. I am with Stephen Taylor. Happy New Year to you. We're excited for the 2019 year. As I'm walking around the shop, I see one of the Watertube boilers. Now, we've done an episode on the inside of the boiler. One of our boiling points, I think it's been about a year or so ago. Maybe it's been 2 years, I don't know. Yeah. But I thought this is a unique cutaway, if you will. We got some repairs to do on this boiler, of course, but I thought this is a great thing for our folks out there to be able to see actually what's going on as almost a cross section of the boiler. So first of all, just start on the inside, which is the firebox, and talk a little bit about that, and then let's move our way out.
Okay, so it's a typical 2-pass water tube. You've got the big burner sitting here, flames coming out, heating up the firebox. The firebox is sealed inside to where none of the gases can come out here. This is where the stack goes out, but at the top. They're all sealed with webbing, so it's 1/4-inch thick steel plating that's welded tube to tube, so it's 100% sealed. So no gases can come out here. It all goes to the back, and in the back, this webbing is not on the tubes. So the tubes are the same distance apart, but there's no webbing there, so it lets those gases turn. By then it's not fire, it's just hot gases. They turn, come back through between these tubes to get you more heat transfer, more tube, more heat surface to transfer into making steam. That comes out, comes to the front, and then goes out the stack, out the top. This is an O-type boiler, so the stack's at the top. And then we have the same thing on the outside, where we have webbing here, ligaments they call it, that's welded to the tubes. Everything's 100% seal welded, so we don't have any issues with overheating the skin. Even though this is insulated, because this is hot, we have it insulated here, but we can't have any gases coming out here to burn right through the side of the boiler. You don't need those issues. So that lets it go out and get you 100% combustion or 80%, 82% combustion going out the stack.
Now, are all the outside tubes of all boilers, do they have the ligaments?
The current technology is newer technology. The old technology was that these tubes were butted right together, and then you had a seal welded skin that was actually the seal. Okay. And that failed on a pretty regular basis. They had two issues with that. The inside of the tubes was the same way. It was just tubes together. So then you had small gaps in here that let gases come out. So the CO was really high on all the old technology boilers. When emissions started becoming an issue, NOx becoming an issue, CO an issue, they changed the technology, went to this seal welded inside furnace and outside furnace to get away from that, to get the emissions down, make the boiler a lot more efficient, just better technology.
To give an idea maybe of what type of temperatures that we're talking about, what type of temperatures are we talking about in the firebox?
In the firebox, you're going to be 3,000 degrees, 3,500 degrees here. You're going to be in that 1,800 degrees when it hits the rear wall. When it hits here, we're going to be in that 425 to 575 degrees, depending on the operating pressure and temperature of the boiler. This boiler, 350-pound design, so we're going to be 475 to 500 going out the stack. Okay.
Well, look, there you have it. Pretty cool look at the water tube boiler and just kind of a cross section. And we will see you next time on the Boiling Point. Appreciate Stephen hanging out and always sharing a lot of that boiler knowledge with us. You may be wondering who this guy is. This guy is my dad, Richard WARE, who is grumpy.
Yeah.
In the newsletters. So Dad, looking forward to 2019. Ready to go for the year?
No, 2020.
2020, we're already a year ahead.
That's right.
All right, he's always looking.
We always stay ahead.
Always staying ahead. So Dad is the second generation of WARE, of course, and myself, my brother, third generation. So business started in 1952. Dad was able to take the business to a pretty good size, and real proud of what he's done here at the company. Well, listen, make sure you check out ASHRAE coming up. Come by and see us, get a t-shirt. We're the 14th, 15th, 16th down in Atlanta. Come by and check us out, and make sure that you like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter And if you don't mind, subscribe to a YouTube channel, and as always, share all these cool videos that we're able to do.
And they get a free t-shirt.
They do get a free
That's
t-shirt,
right.
that's right. So come by and check it out, and we'll see you next time on The Boiling Point.
Yeah, thank you.